Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be unboxing and trying for the first time a Vinpatio Inflatable Paddleboard. Let's get to it. A special thanks goes to the folks at Vinpatio, for they're the ones who actually suggested this for me to try out and to unbox. So thank you very much. This is actually the very first paddleboard that I ever owned, to be honest. I personally own multiple inflatable boats, taking them to island campings and several trips. So this is the very first paddleboard I have ever even tried. And I'm actually quite excited to try it out to see what it's all about. So let's see what we got going on here. So we have the high pressure pump. Here it is, patio. We have here the paddle. I gotta put that together. So we have here a repair patch. Let's see what we got going on here. Alrighty. So we have the valve stem opener that opens the valve if you ever need to do it. A couple of repair patches and even the glue included. Not too shabby. Alright. That's pretty cool. That comes with it. And oh, it actually comes with a carrying case. Okay, let me go ahead and get this out. There we go, let's put it to the side. Hey, that's actually quite convenient. I can wear this as a backpack, for real. Nice. Okay, that's pretty cool. We got here, ooh, we got the fin. We got a fin right here. It comes with a cell phone protector as well. That's a nice little plus. What else we got going on in here? This must be the security lanyard. Yep. I'm assuming this will go for the paddle. That way you don't lose it. Wow, that's actually a very fancy lanyard. Nice. All right, so let me go ahead and get all this together. See what it looks like. Now, first things first, I'm far more interested in finding out what this looks like when you carry it as a backpack. Let's see. A little wobbly. Nope, didn't get it right. Let's see. Here we go. I got it now. There we go. I have to get it right. Check it out. Very convenient if you need to carry it on a car or something like that in the trunk, or take it from your car into the beach or a lake or a river you want to actually ride on. That is really cool. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the bag, start putting it together. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, I am ready to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got, how this works. Zippers are right here. Okay, so this must be the paddle. Alright, this is a nice packaging. Alrighty, so I guess I have to actually open it up. Here we go. Very nice. Nicely wrapped too, very well protected. So I look at the specs online for this specific model. This model is 10.6 feet long. You guys get to see that perspective soon when I put it against the wall in my house. It is 36 inches wide and I believe 8 inches thick when it's fully inflated. It holds up to 320 pounds. I'm personally 240, so it should hold me just fine. Let me go ahead and open it up. Here we go. Very colorful. Very colorful. I gotta get this wrapping out. Wow, this thing's huge. It is massive. All right, go ahead. There we go. All right, now I got the wrapping out. It's like Christmas. It feels like Christmas. Let me bring you guys in close so you guys can see it deflated. Check it out. Here we go. I think it is time to inflate now. Personally, I have my own electric pump that I use for my inflatable boat, so I'm gonna use that. The PSI is supposed to use is between 12 to 15. I'm gonna be inflating it to 12. My machine only does up to 10, so I'll be finishing it up with a hand pump. So let me go and get started with that. Before I get started, these valves are just like my inflatable boats. If you were to push them inside and twist them, they stay open. That's for deflation. But you want it sticking out. like that. And that'll make sure that whenever it fully inflates and you remove the hose, it closes and the air doesn't come out. Okay. Okay, so I am about ready to get this inflated, and for the sake to save time, I'm gonna fast forward this footage for you guys. All right. So right now I'm finishing up fully inflating the paddleboard. What I noticed was that this specific pump has a two-way valve. It's got a double action and a single action. The double action you will use to inflate the bulk, because you get to inflate when you push up, you get to inflate when you push down. However, for the last PSIs, like right now I'm in 8 PSI at the moment, you want to use the single action, because that one allows you to get the most pressure to achieve the desired PSI. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Let me show you guys something else I noticed. This paddleboard actually is good quality, as a matter of fact. So you get to unite it and this end with that little knob right here. That goes in place. But in this end, you get to measure it by this little clip. If you undo the clip, then it comes out and stretches out. Or you can push it in, like so, and then you get to actually seal it, close it. That is actually pretty cool. Good quality paddle. I am quite surprised. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the PSI and put it against the wall of my house so you guys can see it. Okay, so at the moment I turn it upside down, because I'm gonna go ahead and install the fin. It's got this little clip. You're supposed to go like this. Then this little clip goes right in between and it locks it in place. Alrighty, man, this really is sturdy. Wow, that's and I'm only using 10 psi. I'm not lying. That is quite sturdy. All right, let me go ahead and put it against the wall so you guys can visually see it. Okay, to give you guys a perspective how big this thing is, check it out. Wow, that is a big paddleboard. It's got a nice little handle right in the middle. It's got nice little D-rings as well if you want to strap something. It also comes with a bungee cord already installed right here. You guys want to put a cooler or something up here, going up a river like in the Swanee River, something like that. Yeah, that'll do the job. Let me show you guys from the rear. You guys can see it. There we go. Look at the design. It's got a little whale on top. Vinpatio spell across. That is a nice paddleboard. Yeah, sweet. Well, right now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get everything prepared, because it's time for the water review. I'm gonna take it on the water, see how it handles. But before that, because I'm gonna put it in the car, let me see if I can put it back in the bag, because most times you get something like this, you unpack it, try to put it inside the bag and it doesn't fit. Let's see how that works. Okay, so it is time to deflate it. Like I showed you guys earlier, the little valve, when you push it down and twist it, it stays open and should deflate. And to save time, I'm gonna fast forward this. So, but to start, check it out. It's deflated. Let's see if I can put it in the bag. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if I can fit this back in. If it's one of those little, you know, like camping tents when you take it out of the bag and you cannot place it back in. Let's see if this is one of those. Does it fit? Yeah. Holy cow, it does. And I think I got space. I wonder if I can put in the paddle inside. Let's take a look. Will it fit in? Yes, it does. It looks like. Oh, nice. I can fit in the paddle. Let's see, can I fit in the pump too? Will all fit? Let's find out. Okay. Okay, so the pump is in. Here's the hose. And the pump. Okay. All right, we're looking good. No freaking way, really? It all fits? Yo! It all fits? Nice! Yeah! All right, a little snug, but not that a little bit of elbow grease won't fix. Bam! Nice! Wait, I think I undid the zipper. Let me go ahead and fix that. Let me see if I can do this. Oh, there we go. I fixed the zipper. Aha! So not only do I have the pump, I also got the paddle in here. Let me go and put it in the car. See how it looks. Here I go again on my own. Going down the only road I ever know. All right, so there it is. This is on the trunk of my car. This is a hatchback. This is a Prius. It's considered a hatchback. But this is to simulate a trunk space, and it does fit. I forgot to put the fin inside the bag, but I got it right here. Well, it's gonna stay right there because tomorrow morning, unfortunately today I cannot take it today. I got other things to do. But tomorrow morning, I'm gonna head to a local body of water and see how that handles. It's coming up next. Okay, everybody, it is time to get in. So I did a little trial already so I can get myself used to it because I don't want to make a fool of myself. But it's actually quite nice. It tracks nicely. Well, you guys gonna see. Let me go and get in. And go and get stable. Let me get in. Now, you're going to notice the moment you jump in, it wobbles a bit like this, see? It wobbles a little bit, but it's not gonna turn you over. So don't freak out. That's the main trick. Do not freak out. Okay, here we go. Moving along. I'm currently on my knees at the moment. One thing I noticed that once you give it some oomph, like if you start giving it some power, it starts to track fast. So I had to slow down a bit sometimes. But I gotta be honest, that right now I'm catching momentum, right? It moves to the side. But the moment it gets a little speed, those fins start to do their job. It starts to track nicely with very little effort. That is so cool. Look, I'm tracking. Phew. Very little effort. Very little effort. Once you get a little bit of speed, yep. Here we go. Moving along. It doesn't matter which side you're paddling. I mean, you're paddling. It wants to go. It wants to move forward. I think that's fascinating. Getting a little bit of water on me. Very nice. It tracks nicely. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so to turn around, you have to slow down because it stays tracking. You have to slow down a little bit and then let you turn around. Turning around while it's going in speed, it just doesn't work. But at slow speed, yep, I'm getting back. Here we go. That is so nice, man. What a nice little paddleboard. Yep. For an inflatable. I did a little research online, and the big difference between these inflatable paddleboards and the solid ones, well, the inflatable ones are far more convenient for casual users. You know, you want to put it on, back in your trunk, go to a lake, a bay, something of that nature. No issues whatsoever. However, the solid ones require a roof rack, maybe a trailer or a big pickup truck in order to move them. And the only big difference between those two is speed. The solid ones are about, I looked online, they say it was about 5 to 10% faster. So if you're gonna be racing on a paddleboard, then getting a solid one will be the choice. But for everyday use, for casual users, man, this is perfect. This is great. Thanks again, Vinpatio, for suggesting this. This is really cool. This is like really cool. I never ever used a paddleboard before, so this is a first. What a nice little paddleboard. I got a little dirty, so I gotta take it home and clean it. Well, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found this video informative and somewhat entertaining. This is a good little paddleboard. It tracks nicely, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.